Hola! If you want to surprise your guests at a fancy dinner, why not try peras al vino or pears in wine? All the ingredients are in the description. So first of all, we're gonna be very careful when peeling our large pears here. Give it a nice shape, and please mind leaving the top part so that it looks nice, and the bottom I'm gonna chop it as you can see so that it can stand on the plate. And now to the wine. I'm going to use a generous amount of wine, say like half a bottle, a little bit more, because the pears have to take a nice bubbly bath. And we're gonna add as well a generous amount of sugar. Doesn't matter if it's white or brown. And then to the cinnamon sticks. They'll look very nice on the plate at the end. So they boil all together on a high setting, and then we're gonna lower it to a middle one to put our pears. First of all, I'm gonna leave them standing, but after a while I'll just change and I'll have them laying in the pot so that the wine gets everywhere and they can absorb it nicely. So our pears are gonna get pampered in the bath for say like half an hour, and after half an hour you can see the color, you can see how it's simmering, and you can just take them out. And you're gonna leave this wine with the sugar and the cinnamon for a bit longer so it caramelizes for about 20 minutes. As you can see here, it now has a nice and thick consistency. And now we put our pears on a plate and we're ready to pour our sauce. Now, as a little tip, please do this when the sauce is still warm or hot, because otherwise it's going to cool off and then it's going to be hard and it's not going to go this nicely when you pour it. And additionally, I'm going to give it a nice touch of ice cream here. Delicious. It looks gorgeous, absolutely. Buen provecho and enjoy your dessert. Adios.